Hello, hi. Welcome to this Champion Academy second video. In this video, we will see about revised syllabus of UPSC Civil Engineering. Welcome. So this year, the syllabus was 3 days continuously we have exam. That is first day general objective and second day civil engineering objective and third day we have conventional paper 1 and 2. So this is continuously held for 3 days, morning afternoon like that. So it is very difficult for one to prepare for that continuous examination. So general ability we have 200 marks and civil engineering objective 2 papers, and we have 200 marks for each subject, and for conventional paper 1 and 2 200 marks for each. So ultimately the examination for written is for 1000 marks. Those who are qualifying for 1000 marks will be called for interview, and the interview is for 200 marks. So altogether the overall score is out of 1200. So from 2017 onwards, the revised pattern is we have objective separately and conventional separately. So like IAS prelims and mains, engineering service also will be held prelims and main examination. You can see the first week of January will be preliminary examination. So we have one civil objective paper and one general objective paper. So the civil objective paper is for 3 hours and for 300 marks. And for general studies, we have engineering aptitude included in the syllabus. So who are qualifying this objective paper of 500 marks will be attending the main examination. So the main examination is likely to be held in the second week of May. We have conventional paper 1 and paper 2 each for 300 marks. So this makes a total of 1100 marks for written. Those who are qualifying for the written will be called for interview, and the overall cutoff marks, the total will be 1300. Let's see the salient features of new pattern. So first of all, the duration is increased to 3 hours for preliminary. So this is very highly advantageous. The number of papers is reduced to 4 from 5. This is also highly advantageous. The merging of paper 1, paper 2 in prelims. So this is main criteria. So some people will be very interested in structural analysis and design, and some people will neglect irrigation, fluid mechanics, like that. So now one need not to study all the civil engineering subject. One can study selectively and clear the prelim exam very easily without much hardship. So exam days is not continuous. Previously it was 3 days continuous. Even though you prepare, writing continuously 3-day examination is a very big tough task. Now prelims is one day, mains is one day. Very lucky. And we have engineering aptitude introduced in prelims general studies. So engineering students they are always preparing for this final year campus interview. So they might have studied this all analytical reasoning, verbal ability, all those things. So this is an added advantages. And the overall marks change from 1200 to 1300. So this will increase the cutoff marks. Since aptitude is very easy and number of papers is decreased, duration is increased, the cutoff will be very high in 2017. So let's see what are the new inclusion in the syllabus. We have current affairs of national and international, engineering aptitude, logical reasoning and analytical ability, engineering mathematics and numerical analysis. So for this current affairs, one has to study Hindu paper for at least last 6 to 8 months. Aptitude, we have to study the basic reasoning and analytical ability. We have engineering mathematics and general design principles and drawing. So this is a basic drawing principle. So any engineer should be able to read a drawing. So that is a requirement. And standards and quality practices in production, construction and maintenance. So we have basics of energy and environment, environmental pollution and degradation. So as an individual, one has to have an awareness of what is environmental pollution and what is happening now. You can see sudden rainfall, single day flood is coming due to rain because of all these El Nino factors, all those things. So how it is happening as an individual, everyone should be aware of. That is the expectation of UPSC. We have basics of project management and material science, and information and communication technology. So a basic information about computers, all those things is required, and it is expected. E-governance and technology-based education. So now the government itself is moving on digital services, and lot of digital things is going on. So a basic ICT knowledge is required. And finally, ethics and value in engineering profession. So how you value the engineering and what are the ethics you are following, all those things. I think we can expect some 2 to 5 questions from this topic. So finally, it's an 1 in 10 year lucky opportunity for those who are preparing for Ies Civil Engineering 2017. All the best. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Champion Academy.